Hi, I'm Mike Hazinski. I work in water conservation for East Bay Mud. The best way to save water inside your home is to find and repair leaks. Leaky toilets are the most common source of leak in a home. They can waste up to 7,000 gallons a month. The main reason toilets leak is because the flapper valve leaks. If you're even a little bit handy, you can replace the flapper valve yourself. If you're not the do-it-yourselfer type, find a handy person to help you replace your flapper. If you're up to the challenge, here's how you do it. Let's start by checking the surface of the water for ripples. The water should be perfectly still. We'll remove the lid. This is the overflow tube. It gauges the level of the water in the tank. The water should be about ½ inch to 1 inch below the top of the overflow tube. This is the fill or float valve. It lets water back in the tank. It should shut off completely when the tank is full. Your handle is connected to a lever that lifts either a rod or a chain depending on the type of toilet that you have. Make sure that your handle is not sticking in the down position and that the chain doesn't get hung up on any of the other parts in the toilet tank. For proof of a leak, put a couple of dye tablets or some food coloring in your tank. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, and if the water in the bowl changes color, you have a leak. Now that we know we have a leak, let's shut off the water supply to the toilet. Turn the shutoff valve all the way to the right. Let's flush the water out of the tank. This pink part is your flapper valve. First, disconnect the flapper from the lever. Then reach in and unclip the flapper valve. Just that easy. This is your valve seat. The flapper valve seals against this surface. If there's any grit or mineral deposits, clean them off with a non-abrasive kitchen scrubber. This is our old worn flapper. Not all flapper valves are the same, so I suggest you take it to your hardware store to make sure you get the correct replacement part. Okay, so let's attach our new flapper to the valve seat. And attach the chain to the lever. Looks good. Next step, we'll turn the water back on. Turn the valve all the way to the left and make sure it's completely open. To be sure that you've fixed the problem, you can repeat the dye test, and hopefully after about 15 to 30 minutes, the water in the bowl will be clear and you've eliminated the waste. Thanks for doing a good job and helping us save our water supply.